Are you wondering which types of products can help you strike it big in high-ticket affiliate marketing? Well, let's chat about it and dive right in. High-ticket affiliate marketing centers around promoting products or services with high price tags. High-ticket affiliate marketing centers around promoting products or services with high price tags. Think luxury tech gadgets, premium software, exclusive coaching programs, and high-end travel packages. These are the kinds of products that can help you profit big time. First, let's talk about luxury tech gadgets. People love the latest and greatest devices, from cutting-edge laptops to the newest smartphones. These products not only have a high price point, but also come with a devoted fan base. When you promote these shiny new toys, you can rake in profits with each sale. Now, onto premium software. Businesses and individuals everywhere look for top-notch software solutions to streamline their processes and up their game. By promoting annual subscriptions or licenses, you can cash in on these hefty commissions. Whether it's video editing software or powerful project management tools, these solutions often come with persuasive selling points. Another hot-ticket item is exclusive coaching programs. These cover everything from personal development to business growth strategies. Since these programs often carry a significant price tag, getting even one sale can help you grow your savings and give your income a serious boost. Plus, people love investing in their own success. High-end travel packages are a dream for many. Picture promoting luxurious getaways filled with breathtaking sights and exceptional service. These packages tend to be costly, and the commissions are often juicy. As folks look to explore the world in style, you can be their guide while you secure financial success. If you have any questions about anything in this video, make sure to leave a comment. Remember, when choosing products to promote, it's crucial to pick items you believe in and that resonate with your audience. Look for items that deliver value and have a strong reputation. The more excited you are about the product, the more genuine your promotion will be. So, what do you think? Ready to make a killing with high-ticket affiliate marketing? Start by finding the perfect products and watch as you begin to cash out on those rewarding commissions. That's all for now, but to learn more about high-ticket affiliate marketing and claim your free membership, be sure to check out the link to my free PDF report in the description below.